That's pretty big. Alice!
Oh.
Alice!
Alice, look at this, the moon. A moon, Alice.
Are you helping Alice? Show her how to jump.
Just like it. Alice, do it.
Do it again. She likes to watch you jump. Do it again, Jack. She can't see her. Turn around here, Alice. Turn around. Hi. Hi, baby.
Hi, Sissy.
Show her how to jump, Jack. Show her how to jump.
1, 2, 3, let's jump.
Okay, jump. Jack. Jack keeps running away. Hi, Alice. Alice thinks Jack is the funniest. You think Jack is super funny? Yeah. You sure are a drooly mess. You sure are a drooly mess.
Mommy?
Yes, Jack.
Do you think I'm a drooly mess?
Do I think you're a drooly mess? I think you're just a mess. Okay, bye, baby. See you later.
Mommy.
Say bye, Jack.
Jack.